Welcome to this video where I will show you an easy pattern to crochet a beginner-friendly hair scrunchie. I will be using a chunky or bulky yarn, an elastic hairband, and a size 6 crochet hook. So I will start with a slip knot. And I will just join it to the elastic band. And I will insert my yarn in the center of the elastic band. Take it over the elastic band and just pull it through the loop. We will continue to make 40 single crochets around the elastic band. Make sure you keep this loose piece of yarn against the hairband so that you crochet over it. I will just push the stitches together just to fit them in tightly. Now I will join with a slip stitch to this first single crochet. Just put it underneath both loops, yarn over, pull it through and pull it through the loop on your hook. If you have a smaller hairband, you can use less stitches, and if you want more frills on your scrunchie, you can use more single crochets. Or if you want less frills, you can use less single crochets. So it depends on how much you want on your scrunchie. For the next row, we will turn our work and single crochet 2 just for a start, and we will double crochet twice in each single crochet. So let's go. So that is 1, and within the same stitch we will do another double crochet. That is also called an increase. Because you have so many single crochets tightly next to each other, and you're increasing your next row, so they don't have space to lie flat. So therefore they will start to curl in, and when you are done, that is the reason why they will make the curls and the frills. We will end this row by joining to the first double crochet on the top with a slip stitch. And we will end with yarn over, pull it through, cut the yarn, pull it through, pull it tight, and I will just weave in this loose end. As you can see the difference between the blue and the white one, I used 35 single crochets on this one and then 40 on this one. So this one, it looks like it has a little bit more of a frill, more of a scrunchie look. So there you go.